Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Veracity token and I will tell you my next medium duration and long duration target for this token. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. This is CoinGecko page of Veracity and it is currently trading at $0.035 and price increases 8.88% in just 24 hours. Price increases in BTC 6.30% and price increases in Ethereum pair 4.90%. Current rank of this token is 338 and this is the website. Let me please visit the website. This is the website. Veracity is a protocol and product layer platform for esports and video entertainment. Very good, and I think this token has huge potential because platform is very good and team is very good. And let me please show you some other statistics and please support me and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Please watch this video and sorry for that. How through is POP protocol product layers and platform. Please do your own research before investing in this token. This video is just for informational purpose and I will not responsible any of your loss. See adoption metrics. We are a rewards product layer is integrated for the following video players and in the news, and we are a virtuous cycle. Please read this all information, and this is the roadmap of 2017, 2018 and 2019 and 2020 and 21. This is the roadmap of 2021, and let me please show you the partners and investors. These are the partner and investor of this project and this token. This is the leadership, core leadership. This is the founder. This is second founder and this is the financial director. Very transparent project, and this is the team. And please do your own research before investing in this token. I think this token has very huge potential because there are many events of this token are throughout in this year, and that is why I'm making this video. And let me please show you some other statistics of this token. Market cap of this token is $140 million and 24-hour trading volume of this token is $24 million. Circulating supply of this token is 3.88 billion. Maximum supply of this token is 10.35 billion. And this is the price statistics. These are price statistics, and this is the market cap of this token. And let me please show you some other statistics. All-time high of this token was on April 1, 2021, just 7 days ago, and price was $0.0483. And all-time low of this token was on May 2019, and the price was $0.0002222. And this token is available on most of the platforms. And let's dive into the fundamental events and fundamental technical analysis because this token has very much events in this year, and that is why first event is in quarter 3 and Vera Wallet mobile app. Wallet mobile app is going to launch in quarter 3 before 30 September. EFC map veto system, and this event is also in quarter 3, and EFC ticketing sport, this event is in quarter 4. eSport 5 club store, this event is in quarter 3, and ad fraud deduction, view verification pro, player matching, and some important events. Here you can see these all events are happening, and these are events will launch in 2021 in quarter 3 and in quarter 4. And please read these events and please visit this website. And let me please dive into the technical chart. This is the Veracity US dollar hit BTC chart, and This is the Verasity USD pair, and I will definitely do analysis in both pairs, in USD and in BTC. Price was rejected from this zone, and the price was 0.05109, and it is now currently trading at 0.0360. This is the major support zone for the Verasity VRA, and it is currently at $0.032. This is the major support line for the Verasity. I think it have to move towards upside after hitting this support zone. And these green lines are support zone, and this red line is the horizontal resistance for this token. And let me please show you how much profit it gives in just 2 months. Let me please show you. This token gives 4,687%. You can say 4,600%, 46x in just 2 months, from February to April. And that is why I am very much bullish. And after hitting this support zone, I think let me please show you our first target. This target is immediate short-term target, and let me please show you. This is our immediate short-term target for this token, and it is at 0.070, and you can say this will be our first target, and after hitting 0.05 it have to hit 0.07. These are two immediate short-term target for this token. And let me please tell you what are the long duration and medium duration target for this token right now. Friends, please keep supporting me, and if you want to join Binance Exchange, then friends, please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. And if you want to join Bybit Exchange, this is the link of Bybit Exchange. Let's dive into the content and into the chart. Please do me a favor and please thumbs up the like button right now. This is our medium duration target. I think this token can hit this zone, which is at 0.20 to $0.21, and this token can hit this zone within 6 to 8 months, and I think so this token can hit. And let me please tell you what is the next target. And I think 30 cent is very decent target, and this token can hit this target and can give you 700% profit in this bull run. I think this is the target of USD Verasity USD pair. And let me please show you the Verasity BTC pair. This is VRA BTC pair. It was rejected from this zone. Let me please show you what was the price. Let me please check this place. $63 Satoshi. It is currently is at 63 Satoshis, and let me please show you the support zone. These are green lines are support zone for this token, and it is currently is at 63 Satoshis, and it was rejected from this zone 85 Satoshis. It is available in very cheap price, that is, and you can see events throughout the year, and very good team and very transparent project. That is why I think this token can hit all my targets in this bull run. I think so. Our first target will be this zone, this horizontal resistance, which is currently is at 86 Satoshis. And our second target will be this zone. Let me please make this. Our second target will be this 113 Satoshi. This will be our second target. These both targets are immediate short-term target for this token right now. And here you can see how parabolic this token is. And let me please show you. In March, from March to April, second week of April, and this token gives 2100% profit to its holder. That is very great profit, I think, and that is why I think so this token can hit my targets. Let me please show you the medium duration target for this token. Let me please show you, and I think this token can hit these targets. And let me please show you. To be very realistic, I think this will be the target of 3 months, and it have to hit 220 Satoshis, I think so. This will be our target, and this target will give you 250% profit. And after that, after hitting this target, I think this token can hit this target too in BTC pair. And this is the final target of 2021. And let me please arrange this. I think 500% and 376 Satoshi to 380 Satoshi. This will be the target. 5x in this bull run, I think this token can easily achieve. And I think this token can hit this target. Friends, please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now, and please do me a favor. If you are new user, please then subscribe my YouTube channel, and please join my Telegram channel because on my Telegram channel I regularly post charts and price predictions. Thanks for the watching. Keep supporting me. Take care.